This is our website review for Gucci. This is the home page. So immediately when you get to the home page, you don't see too many links on top, but on the top right hand corner, you do have a menu. And this is where they sort the handbags, travel, women, men, children, jewelry and watches, decor and lifestyle, fragrances, and makeup. There is a world of Gucci and Gucci services. So let's select what's new. We can go to women's handbags. So here are some bags. So if you hover over, then you'll see the price. So $2,290 for that bag. This mini bucket bag for $2,190. A shoulder bag for $1,980. So expensive. You have this one for $3,900. That's an expensive bag. $4,000. So we can sort. Let's go high to low or low to high. What are we doing? High to low. Let's go high to low. We have the most expensive bag in this section for women at $8,700. You have this small bamboo top handle tote bag for $4,900. I love the handles. And then what else we got? Scrolling down. Cute little pink one. All right, so it gives you an idea of the cost. Now we're gonna go to women. Let's go to shoes, view all. So here we have some Gucci loafers for $1,000. And then we have some sneakers here for $900. Some ballet flats for $1,000. And then you can load all, and then you can get some ankle boots, $1,000, like $1,500. This will give you some height. This is a wedge loafer for a little over $1,000. Alrighty. All right, so menu, let's see. We can take a look at some jewelry. View all jewelry. Necklaces, you have a bracelet, 18 karat for $6,700. 18 karat hoop earrings, $2,300. You have this icon thin band in white gold for $740. I like that ring. That's $1,700. Usually the things I like are expensive. All right, what do we got here? This is another ring for $1,000 that I like. All right, and then you got these cute little necklaces. This is $3,300. All right, I think we're done with jewelry. All right, so we're gonna go back to the home page. So they kind of very, very nice website. I like that, passing the bag, collect in store. That's really cool, interactive. So if you are doing your research here, you can click on About Gucci, and then hopefully they have some more information for you, some stories, some history. You can take a look at the corporate information. And then we are going to focus on careers. Maybe there's some salary posted, job descriptions, if they offer internships or scholarships or contests. Let's see. All right, so we are going to, okay, jobs in the house. All right, Gucci team manager, Saks, New York. This was posted today. Let's click on that. All right, this base salary range is 70 to 95,000 a year. And that's the team manager. Let's go to outlet, client advisor. A reasonable estimate of the current base salary range is $16.50. I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting a little bit higher than that. So it is low, but this is the base. Like I said, a lot of these companies, you're going to have you're going to be working on commission. So they give you that. And I'm pretty sure you'll have a decent commission package. You could probably get more information at the job interview. But if you are watching this and you have answers, or you know what that commission structure is looking like, you can share it with my students or in the comments so you can help them out. All right, and then let's take a look. You can click on apply. You can apply with LinkedIn. So get a LinkedIn account, everyone. It's so much easier if you have your one resume. A lot of these website reviews, you'll see you can just apply with LinkedIn. It makes everything so much easier. All right, so we're gonna go back to the homepage, and now we're going to look if there's any, where's their social media? All right, share this tab. So their homepage, usually that's a first. This is probably the first website review where I can't find links or like images to any of their like social media. All right, so Gucci, if you're watching, I would get some links there. We have to search you up on YouTube. All right, so we're going. Founded in Italy in 1921. Read more, click on more. And then I'm just going to focus on YouTube. There's Snapchat, there's TikTok, there's Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. So those are the two I share. We are already following them. And let's take a look at their recent posts. Sounds good. Alrighty. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.